Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial. It's about sequences and series. Okay, so this question is coming from 2022 GCE paper 1. It was right on question 7. Alright, so if you look at this one in paper 1, it carries 3 marks. Right, carries 3 marks. There's 1 mark here for the first question and 2 marks here. So the weighing for this one in paper 1 will be getting 3 marks. Alright, so the question reads, for a sequence 5, 12, 19, find 1, the 60th term, and b, the nth term. Right, so how are we going to go about it? So they are asking us to find the 60th term. Now we have to know the formula for the nth term, okay? The general formula. So it says, alright, so the first thing is to identify if you are dealing with an AP or a GP. How do you do that? You first get this one, you get this one. So that's the first thing before you even write this one. So you get a 5 divided by 12. If you're testing for a GP, that is, right? Because GP, you discover to find the common ratio, R. So the common ratio R for GP is going to be something like 10(2) over 10(1), right? So if you get the second term there, you discover that is 12 over 5, right? Then if you get 19 and 12, so our first pick is 12 and 5, alright? Our second pick will be 19 and 12. So that is going to be something like 19 over 12. So you agree with me that this one and this one are not the same, alright? So this is not a GP. GP, no. We test for AP. How do we test? We say T2 minus T1, alright, should also be equal to the second test, alright? T3 minus what? T2. So we're looking at the 2 consecutive terms, right? Consecutive terms. So we have 12 minus 5, giving us something like 7, right? How about if we pick this side? So we're getting 19 minus what? 12, getting 7. So if these two are the same, then this is an AP. So we're going to restrict ourselves to this formula here. Okay. So now what we're going to do is identify our first term, our common difference, because this is an AP. So we are saying A here is the first term, alright, so which is going to be 5, right? The common difference T1, T2. So T1, T2, you can pick this one and this one, or this one and this one, right? So here I'm picking 12 and 5. So that I get 7, right? Now, the first question asks us to find the 60th term. So it means n here is going to be 6, alright? The value for n is going to be 6, right? If we were to say this is our data, if we collect this as our data. So now substituting this information into this one, we are going to get something like 5 plus 60th term, 6 here, 6 minus 1, and the common difference is 7, alright? You agree with me that this is going to be 5 here, when you subtract, this is going to be 7. BODMAS, you start with the brackets, so this is going to be 5 plus 35, right? If you add these two, you're getting a 40. So 40 is going to be our 60th term in this AP, right? Let's quickly solve B. Then you have your 1 mark here. 1 mark here. Let's quickly solve B. So the 9th term, the nth term, nth term means the formula that's going to work for any term in that AP for this kind of equation. Alright? So what don't we have for this one? We're not going to have the 6 here. So here we're going to maintain the n because we want the nth term. Okay? So we're going to say Tn is equal to n plus n minus 1 You open and close brackets, G. So that our first term still remains 5, alright? Then here, we do not know the position exactly. So this is going to be a general formula, but we still have the common difference. We use the same one, alright? So if we are to simplify here, what are we going to do? To have this one. So this can be rewritten as this one for those that are used with this method. So this is going to be 5 plus 7n minus 7. So this guy and this guy gives us a negative 2. So you agree with me that the nth term is going to be 7n minus 2, right? So this is going to work for anything, for any term. If you want to find any term, you just put, if the term is number 20, just put 20 where there's n and you get your answer easily like that. So this one gives you now your 2 marks. Okay. Thank you.